Kevin was standing out here on 16th Avenue on 60th Street by Living Quarters, the quarters of Borough Park, the furniture store of Borough Park. This is a once-in-a-lifetime sale, Kevin. You don't want to miss. Let me jump inside and show you guys what's going on here. All right, Kevin. I don't know where to start because there's so much going on over here from alle Zaten. This place, you're talking about from wall to wall, 2 floors, full of furniture. You have high-end Italian, beautiful furniture, and today it's mamish half price. So basically, this is a huge floor full of samples. And you know, at the end of the season, we will roast my little freude. So everything is literally half price. Look at this beautiful love seat, $12.99. Get back here with this. Beautiful couch, 3-seater, $18.99. And this is all Italian, Kevin. Look at this couch. High-end Italian leather for $18.99. The price over here are literally slashed in half. Beautiful stuff over here. Look at this color over here, $25.99. Beautiful. All different designs, fabrics. Wow, machaya. A lot of stuff over here. Famous couches. That round couch over here for the whole family, $4,200. Beautiful rounded couch for your dining room, living room. Look at this hood over here. Have a look at this couch. It's going for $2,000. It used to be over $3,000. It went down to $2,000. It's electric. With the push of a button, the feet come out. You can move in all different directions. Schmack, bequem. Beautiful color, beautiful texture. Echt comfortable. I said, forget about this couch. The pillows alone over here. Delicious. I'm going to show you a material that doesn't make any sense. But that's what the tag says. $599 for this beautiful sofa. $12.99 for this Italian leather sofa. The prices over here, Essen treffen keinmal nicht in geht's. But it's not all. Let's take you up to the second floor. You see noch a ganze Stock, a whole nother floor full of the same sale. Here we're on the second floor, Chevre. Wow. Tischen, all different type of tables. Beautiful stuff over here. Let me show you the chest over here. A beautiful chest for $7.99. As I said, doesn't go for under $2,000. $7.99, a beautiful chest. Wow. So, Chevre, it's jetzt Chanukah. You want to buy a gift for yourself, for your house, for your mother, for your father, for your, you know, it's just something that is because it's not going to stay. These stuff are going to run out. They're going to go quick. So whatever you see is literally half price. Chevre, living quarters, 16th Avenue and 60th Street. Chevre, let me take you up to the 3rd floor. To the high stock. Wow. 3 floors in Matthias. Chazukah. It's 3 floors high. I'm a little out of breath, but it's worth the walk up 3 floors. Oh wow, these are real Matthias here. So the hecher guide, the bigger the Matthias is. Nice sofas for $2.99. Little $5.99 for these beds. Wow. Cribs over here. I got that baby, don't still buy me presents. So let's take the video. Beautiful cribs over here. This is nice. Chevre, this is nice. Beautiful night tables, $3.99. Wow, for $2.99. Chevre, don't trust me. Come down yourself. Glaub mich nicht. I don't want you to say, oh, Chaim. Come down yourself and see for yourself. And if someone ebrige Geld, kannst du gehen von Tzedukah. You'll have a lot of extra money after you come here. Wow. Chevre, I want to show you one more thing. Right here, these are all Chus and Kala packages. These items over here for Chus and Kala. These beds, night tables. This is all Chus and Kala. Let me show you. There's a beautiful booklet when you come in, a beautiful magazine. You come in and you get a Chus and Kala booklet, which shows you everything for Chus and Kala here. So they're running a sale for $250 off the Chus and Kala package. Beautiful stuff for them. Here's some more of the Chus and Kala beds and Amara's dressers. So Chevre, the Chus and Kalas, you get on top of everything $250 off. Plus you get free mug, a Mr. and Mrs. mug when you walk in here. So Chus and Kalas, heads up for you. Make sure you come in now. Beautiful stuff for you. Mechetunim. Come into Living Quarters, 16th Avenue and 60th Street, and say you get 5-star service, white glove service, plus unbelievable discount.